For jump rope, you can grab yourself a skipping rope, or you can not. It's totally up to you. It does take a little bit of coordination to do skipping, so if that's not where you're at, then don't do it. Just improvise. So what you can do instead is just hold an imaginary rope and then jump up and down. Now, if you're imagining, then imagine the rope is going underneath your feet, which means you need to come off the ground. But that might be too much for you. So if it's too much for you, then just leave your toes on the ground and do some lower repetitions. Now, when you're doing that, you want to make sure that instead of rolling onto the outside of your foot, you're onto the big toe part of your foot. So you might have to really think about where you're jumping up from. Now, if you find that easy, then you can increase the height and go as high as you like. The important thing is to keep the weight distributed onto the big toe part of the foot.